Hello and welcome back. As you know, I quite like the digital trading. I'm just going to show you how I do it. You got a 1 minute chart with the indicators of Bollinger Band, the normal, default setting, RSI, is that two lines, one of them are resistance and support lines here and here, on just touching the actual body of the candlesticks, and then we just wait. As soon as the price actually touches or goes near those lines, we go on to a 15-second chart and we will watch for a confirmation. Binary option is completely different. That's you have to find because it's a very short term, you have to look at the confirmation in a 5-second or a 10-second chart. This I like to trade, as you've seen on the previous video. I like to take my time. I like to, if I see a clear shot right now, I wouldn't place a trade. I'll wait for it because it's really close to the expiration time. On this type, you just have to know which one's which. I like to take my time. I like to know I have a lot more time to wait, and if I place a trade and if it's a win, I'll wait. I'll still wait for it. If, let's say, I place a call option, it went up 3-4 candlesticks high, and then I see it's gonna, you see a confirmation it's gonna reverse, I'll take my profit. I'll just leave it at that level. I won't be greedy. I won't say I will hold on, it's gonna carry on, I'm gonna make more profit, because remember, you're winning a £10 is better than losing that £10 is profit plus the investment you have. Okay, earn small but consistently and less greed, rather than earning big and being greedy and losing more. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go on to a 15-second, because that's still going to come down, but it's at a very small resistant line there. It might reverse back, it might not. We'll wait for it. If there's a good confirmation, we'll go for it. Actually no, because it's, like I said, it's too close to the, not enough time. We'll wait for the next session. I don't like to trade this one in the digital. Just leave a bit more time. You have to, before you try trading anything, please spend enough time. You can't spend enough time studying candlesticks, the pattern, the body. You just have to spend an awful lot of time studying them. When you know the candlesticks, how they behave, you will be a pro. But if you haven't got emotional control, if you haven't got greed control, and if you don't understand the candlestick patterns, trading the strategy won't work. You see, I could have placed a call option. It was a very good call option at 12.18. That was a very good, but no need to risk it. I told, if you listened carefully, I said, if I just move my line, there, you see that was a line, resistant line. It was good enough, but if you watched and listened to the previous videos, I've said it on there so many times. These lines indicate where the actual resistance and support line is. It doesn't tell you 100% where it is. It gives you an idea of where that area is. It can be 2-3 pips higher or lower, or 2-3 pips, or more than 2-3 pips. It might get to that line, it might go past the line, it might not get to that line, but it'll be very close, and it'll go back to the reverse. And when it reverse, what it can do is a short-term reverse might go up a few candlesticks higher up to the direction it should reverse. It might go 4-5, it might go to 6 candlesticks higher, or it might just go for good. You know, you can't know. But doing it the way I'm going to show you is, if it's a short term, you're still going to be able to make that money. You're still going to make profit. Don't be greedy. If you place a trade, it reversed, it's gone up about 3 or 4 candlesticks, this is not binary option, don't stay with it. Sell the option with a good profit that you're happy with. Don't wait too much. Take a small profit all the time. So take £100 each time, for example. £100 profit out of 10 trades is better than, you know, doing a 1, 2, 3 trades of losing and then doing one trade of making £200. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for that to come down. I'm not gonna rush. You know, it's gonna come down to the level I want. I'm waiting it to come to this level here. 800. This one. When it gets there, we'll wait for it. If it has a confirmation, we'll go for it. If it doesn't, we'll wait for it. But it's a very low volume market. It's a risky one to trade, but if you're a professional, it shouldn't matter. Because I went in, I've lost that I lost that chance. That was a very late trade in. I pressed that when I placed it, it didn't pick up. That was very late. That was not a good trade. It didn't pick up at the right time. I pressed it twice, it should have picked it up, and then I should have sold it. But it didn't pick up in time. But I'm sure that's going to be a win, because it is at a sport area. It will come back up. You just have to be confident, relax. I'm 100% sure that it's reverse. Very slow internet. Doesn't help. But this will reverse because the candlesticks are weak on 1 minute chart. It's at a resistant area, a support area. So it will reverse. See, it's just gonna make it. It's just about to make and give me a profit. Subject to availability. New customers, terms apply. Discount was 26%, now 37% versus existing customer price. To verify, cbt.com. Okay, what happened there? 1 minute chart. It's close to the very bottom of the Bollinger Band. Just previously, this candles here, the two there, they were the resistance support area before. That's where it was happening again. It won't be a long-term reversal. It's just going to touch it and go up again. It'll go up like there it is. It's going up. If I go back, when I place the trade at 12.24, you got a green, a big red, a green, and a small red, and then a big green. That 5 candlesticks indicates it's coming to a bottom of the V. It's going to come down and it's going to go back up. Okay. But I placed a trade at 12.22. The red candle with the wig and the big green candle with the hammer, it was the best indicator for me. Like I said, digital options, it takes a little bit more. If it was binary, I would have lost that trade, but I would have confirmed it on a 5 second, not on a 15 second. 15 second, it just allows you that extra little longer to predict ahead what's going to happen. And it comes down, touches the line, goes below the line, and it comes back up. It's a bounced off, you know, it's going to happen, it's going to do it. As long as you're, like you saw, I was confident, I know what was going to happen. You just have to know and have to understand the candlestick patterns. As long as you know the candlestick patterns, that's the main thing. If you know how they work and how they behave, and you're gonna win the trades all the time. Thank you.